Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm gonna do quick light language, like quick, just to help with some emotional release. If you're struggling with those stuck emotions, we're gonna give you a little something for that. So again, if you feel called to get into your 0 point, highly recommend just pausing the video, taking some deep cleansing breaths, and then we'll just go right into the transmission to help you with that emotional release, however that looks for you. And just know that if you have an intention to set, please set it. If you know what emotions you like to release, whether it's fear, anger, worry, anxiety, sadness, whatever it is, set that intention. Otherwise, just know that your higher self knows what you need to release in this now present moment as your now present self. And this is always for your highest and best good, always. And it's through and with divine love, divine light, divine truth, divine power, and divine wisdom. Okay, so big inhales through the nose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, Hushineta Tiriata to Shineta Toriata Tiarata Toriata Tiniata to Shineta Tower, Jetao, Chineta Tiriata to Chineta Tiriata Toriata Tineta to Shineta Toria Shineta to Shineta Tiriata to Shineta Toriata Taniata Taria to Toriata Tishaneta Watania. What a Toriata Tirata Toriata Tineta to Shineta Toriata or Tashineta our Shineta Tori to Tineta which Tori the Tower Shineta Tiria. What a Natori Chinet Tori Chineta to Shineta to Shineta our Shineta Shineta our Shineta Reta Tashinet to Shineta our Chetita Toriata Taneta to Shineta Tirata Toriata. What the Oriata Toriata Taniata Oceanita Tiareta Toshineta Toriata Tushineta Ota Taniata Tushineta Tiareta. What the Otoneta Tauri Shineta Washineta Toshineta Arieta Chineta Toriata Tutineta Tineta Toshineta Oriana Tineta Wushinatira Tushinatira. Oceanity area Shinata, Washiniti, Washinata, Washinita, Arita, Tuchaniata, Washinata, Washinata, Washinatira, Tatinita, Washinata. What a water tower to Ota, that Washinata, 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 Orieta, Washinata, Washinata, Washinat, Washinata, 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 Arieta, Chena, Otoriata, Washinata, Washinata. Ochena Oceaniata 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 Oriata Oceaniata Oceaniata Ariata Chinata Oceaniata Ayasaniata Oceaniata 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 Ariata Oceaniata Oriata Taniata Oceaniata Oceaniata Aishanatita Ayata, sending all the light, love, and magic and miracles your way. Oceaniata Oceaniata Tata Ariata Tata Oceania Oceaniata 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 Chaniata, from our heart to yours. Thank you, thank you, thank you.